So recently we upgraded this VW Scirocco with quite possibly the world's cheapest coilovers, coming in at just $199 for the full set, front and back, new shocks, new springs. We even replaced the drop links on the car as well. You can just about maybe see the coilovers back there, but to my surprise, they're actually pretty good. However, anything would have been better than what I had before, which was more or less broken suspension. Should that
come back at some point? Eventually, might.
So thank you to MaxPeedingRods.
Yeah, they are the best.
The best.
The best in the world.
I imagine they're going to be better than
what you've got.
What I have now, which isn't particularly great. What are these?
Oh wow!
Wow.
That's for your noodles. DMO had some metal termites in it. One's still there. Poking around.
Machina.
Oh, machina. Oh, that is lovely.
Oh, what is that meant to be?
Who cares?
Have you been cutting my brake lines?
Next week, sorry.
Next week, okay.
Yeah,
good.
not this week.
That done the trick?
Yes and no. They're slightly shafted anyway.
Are they drop links or what are these?
You know what, I'll get them out differently, but it rusted like DMO's van's gonna be bulletproof. Yeah. He's preparing for a mission in Iraq. He's close to it, I suppose, Dubai, Iraq.
I'm sure you saw the floods there.
Yes.
After their definitely no cloud seeding operation.
No, of course not.
No.
It's all natural, same as electric cars are good for us. And then it calls me married for love and Gattis's chicken's gone missing.
What?
Nothing. Oh, my chickens. Gattis gonna move to Leicester because they hunt for foxes there, innit? Uh-oh. It's not really good because it's so rotten. This is all rust. This is amazing for it. This spray I got from Verve. What's up? Oh, you're gonna give him bad dreams because of it, man. Don't do it. My chickens. I don't want to chop it off, but I might have to. Rotten. It's so rusty. Yeah, new ones. Richie, can you order 2 drop links for the Scirocco for the front?
Oh no.
Oh yes. Listen, don't praise the day before sunset. Maybe the other one's gonna go. Mate, this is all rotten.
Other side any better?
We will see. Yeah. How do I say it? No. Nah. Okay.
Way too rusty.
Yeah, man. Okay. Oh my days. Oh, let me just quickly clean it.
Oh, the top ones are spinning.
Mate, it's only 8mm bolt. Go to them, ask them to finish it. They ain't doing it. They the top mounts. Yeah, because if you don't grease these bolts, they only have like pressed in threads in there. Yeah, of course. This is cross-threaded. Ecomax tuning my They cross-threaded 2 bolts in the top mount, the inner ones. Yeah, carry on. Dziękuję. Ja.
Should that
come back at some point? Eventually,
at some
might.
point?
How the did it even?
That explains why on speed bumps it was so awful.
Would you like half a shock absorber? What a
I don't think that's been absorbing very much shock
It
recently.
wouldn't absorb nothing. Yeah?
No, this is... No. These are adjustable coilovers.
Beautiful. That's on its ass now. Oh, yo. That's 5 meters shorter, man. That looks quite nice, actually.
What are the chances that the shock on this side is also...
I don't know, man.
Bonsky?
I don't want to say any but that might be your eye, you know? Can you press it down? This was right. Aha. Nice. Whoa, whoa. Oh, mama, mia.
That's a difference.
Yes and no, because whichever way you look at it. Okay, listen, you're the one who's asked for it, not me. It's gonna be low.
It's gonna be slammed, no? I wanna barely make it out of Manchester Square.
Oh, mate. Listen, you're the kid who wants it, I'm the who put it on, so if you lost a mother.
Oh my god.
But don't worry about it.
I can't believe it, mate.
You better, because I'm not putting the other ones back.
Come on, wouldn't you want to have some chickens in your backyard?
But they're and they make noises, innit?
They do.
Thank you so much. If you put a little lick here, it stops it from oxidizing, especially with alley wheels.
Then the wheels went back on and the car came off the ramp. Bro,
when lowering goes wrong. Oh, look at the right side. It's easy with the legs now.
It is, okay. APC is happy about this.
Oh,
oh my god, I can fit my full fist in here. Sake.
yeah, the good thing is you have kind of clearance.
Maybe I should finally replace the front splitter with this new height I've gained.
Maybe I can get you 10 mil. Okay, officially you're at the lowest.
Or like once the suspension's more bedded in, we'll drop a little bit.
Yeah, let's pray for the god of lowered cars that
Yep.
you prayers will be it's a lower suspension, sir. I'm gonna be hard to It's a gentleman review. We've lowered the car. Upwards.
Upwards. Oh no. Ooh. Ooh. So this is how they imagine you being able to adjust this.
You're gonna adjust it.
No?
No, how are you gonna adjust if it spins? It don't fit.
Uh-huh.
So that should have gone in with a rubber inside. So the rubber stops it from, you know, sliding, gives it a bit of resistance, quiets them down if you need to, and that's it. Well, it's made for that car.
Apparently? This is the only set that they insisted. Well, the set I asked for, goodness knows what that would have been like, because they said that wouldn't fit, even though it looked identical to this.
That would fit less than this did. Yeah.
Oh, but this is, well, it's on the car.
Look, it's not bad. Would I buy it? For the price difference, yes, I would buy it. If you can live with the you have to about with it. It's not a worse solution than some they've done the DMO's one. They've done the same with the welded with hubs. So if you want to change the shock, you're going to be slightly worse for luck.
So it's been about a month since we installed these ultra budget coilovers onto the Scirocco, and I gotta say, it's been an incredible improvement, at least over what we had before, which, let's be honest, was a bit of a joke. We had no shock absorbers because all 4 of them actually failed. And for the longest time, I thought my VMAX lowering springs that I'd bought were the cause of the terrible ride quality in the car. Like, you could not do more than 40 miles an hour on back roads because any little imperfection in the road, you would feel it. But no, turns out I had no shock absorbers, and that was actually the cause of all the problems. There was nothing wrong with the lowering springs I bought from VMAX. And now we can actually do 60 miles an hour through back roads without feeling like the car is gonna brake.
Sammy, you are wrecking the car! Shut up!
Which is honestly, like, hands down the biggest improvement in terms of like the drivability of the car with this new suspension has been improved tremendously. And I suppose one of the other major changes with this suspension in comparison to my previous one is this is height adjustable. So we can actually raise the height of the car, thank God, because when I take this car down to the Lake District, I'm gonna raise the suspension, else we're gonna end up with no front splitter and likely no front bumper either. In other news, for the engine bay, we've done a couple changes here. We have this little air filter for the PCV breather. Instead of it being like a hose that ran from here into the intake, there's now the oil catch can running from there into the intake instead. We've still got our diverter valve block off. Everything is pretty much more or less the same. It's just we've kind of cleaned a few things up, made the oil catch can system actually work properly, and yeah, so far so good. I've also done a couple other mods inside the interior of the car, one of which is skinning these bits here that used to be silver in gloss black, matches the gloss black door handles. And then for the steering wheel, can you guys see a difference? Well, There used to be an R badge here, and this is not a Scirocco R, this is not a Golf R. Despite it now running similar power to a Scirocco R, it's still not a Scirocco R. It doesn't need to be. It's a 1.4 GT Black Edition, so yeah, the R badge I really did not think belonged on this car. And I did not want to be one of those people putting R badges on a car that is clearly not an R. So, well, I didn't mean for that to rhyme, but nevertheless, yeah, the R badge is now covered in some gloss black vinyl. And in my opinion, I think it looks a little nicer. You know, this is a 1.4, all right? It's not an R, it never will be. And just before I end today's video, sorry for the lack of uploads recently. It's been genuinely pretty crazy with the website, and I've just been trying to optimize things, make new product photos, like test new products, one of which is on the car right now, and it's very practical and also looks sick. So yeah, stay tuned for that. It is nearly ready for production. We're just kind of trying to make it a plug-and-play solution, so you don't have to like splice electrical wires together to make it work. But stay tuned, it has a lot of potential.